Hi, I'm Cherry here from Homilychart. Homilychart mainly provide the rational analysis and the decision-making software, and also the FA and the TA technical analysis, the knowledge. So if you're interested in the learning, or if you are looking for the software, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, today we mainly talk about three kind of individual shares. The first one is regarding the digital bank license, Singtel and the IFAST discount, and another one is regarding the airline shares. We see with the recovery from the COVID-19, and the first kind of shares that has break up and continue rising already, and now the airline shares nearly break up or just that has born. So we should put in our watch list and to monitor. And another one is regarding the vaccine news and our later chances for the new energy shares, the EV sector. Okay, so if you like, just click subscribe, so every day we can get the latest talk here. And first we should know December we have two market turning point, means the stock market, the direction or the speed, it will change. The first one is today is December the 7th. Next one is December 21st. So with the mind, the market direction or speed may change at these 2 points. So first we look at some individual shares, just like the IFAST. We look at this again. Today a lot of retail investors ask this one how to do. See, many friends bought at a very low price, around $1, $2, bought at a very low price, and then it rises to nearly $3.90, and today it gave down. In previous talks we said the IFAST is not award the digital bank license. So today maybe this is the bad news for IFAST, and also today this morning said it is be short. So we see here a big gap down, but the price hit the blue line support, the mid-term and the long-term banker cost line support. So not break down the blue line. And if we bought at a very low price and to short term, if not hit new high, we can consider take profits already. Especially if we see here the price is sideways and didn't hit new high, but the deviation expert here is hit new low. So here we got the top deviation. And today also another question: after the gap down, can we catch bottom? Can we buy low to average down if we bought at the high level? See, if we bought at more than $3, today the close is $2.69. So if we bought a bit high, can we buy low, sell high to average down? But from the signal, still no buy point yet. So we see deviation expert, this indicator, it can help tell us the net money flow. If it's red bar and above 0, so means the net money flowing. But if it's green bar, means the net money flowing out. So currently it's still green bar, the net money not flowing yet. And from the big fish we see the red bar breakdown purple line. It's nearly October end, and till now the purple line a bit turning down, the red bar below purple line. So means the big fish also flowing out, big money out. So currently after the gap down, usually after big rise, it usually will pull back, have some drop, and also after big drop usually will have some rebound. So we must monitor the money flow. If the money flow in, we have some chance to have some rebound, but we also should mind the gap here, it will be our next resistance. Gap down already, but we have some rebound. This gap will be the resistance level. So we must follow the money flow to see how far it will go and the rebound to which level. So currently the yellow line above all the rainbow lines will be our resistance. It may have some rebound, but also we should mind the above the resistance level. Okay, so in minute chart, say 60 minutes, 30 minutes, in a minute chart we can buy low, sell high, or we can catch bottom if stop drop and the price began to rise. So we just follow the money flow. The money flow in, so means the price will have power to rise. It may make up this gap and continue rising. But if below yellow line, the yellow line is very important. In previous talks we said the green lifeline cannot break down. Once break down, we bet out. And also the yellow line, if a price below yellow line, it's no big rise, only small rebound. Above yellow line, above the green lifeline, we have more chance. Okay, this is the IFAST. And another one is Singtel. Even Singtel got the digital bank license, but today also very volatile. Today is the red candle, but the meaning is rising as it's gap up, but the intraday prices drop. It open high and the intraday hit the first white line resistance. We see the white line is a bull and a bear, long-term support and resistance, and also the biggest resistance. Today intraday for Singtel, $2.60. It hit the first white line, the biggest resistance, but close pullback to $2.41 only. And from this chart, we also very clear, if the candlestick, the price is below the white line, we can only take as a short-term rebound. It may sideways here, and if the bar turn to red, and the red bar continue rising, the green bar disappear, it may have some chance to break up the white line and then big rise. Though if the price, the close price, can stand above the first white line for 3 days or 3%, it means it's effectively break up that horse bone, and afterwards we may have big chance, but currently still early to see. So for Singtel, the current resistance is around $2.60, and the support level is the gap up. So this gap will be the support. We just see it will pull back or not. See, if not pull back the gap, and half of this candlestick around $2.50, if around this level got support and began to rise again, the big money flow in again, we can also consider. So this is Singtel. Only break up the white line, and the white line turn up, we have long-term investment chance. But below the white line, we only can take as a short-term rebound. Okay, so this is these two kind of shares and how to do. And another one, we look at the SIA. See, SIA nearly that horse bone, but still not yet, as the first white line resistance is $4.50, still not break up yet. Last week it break up the first white line, but the gap resistance, we remove the rainbow lines, and you can see clearly the gap here. Also we remove the time black hole. Time black hole means the market turning point. The blue signal means bottom catch. The yellow signal means top alert. So we remove the touchy signal, remove the time black hole. This is the candlestick. So we see from here gap up, and then the price pull back, make up this gap already. So currently, why cannot big rise? We see here, the green bar is below purple line and the purple line turning down, so means the big money flowing out. The price rise, no power. It must with the red bar break up purple line or DE turn to red, the big money flow in, the net money flow in, and then we have the power to break up the first white line and continue rising. So this one, if we bought at the very low, we can still wait and see. But for short term, if 3 days not hit new high, short term can take profits already, especially if the red bar breaks down purple line, short term we can take profit. And for mid long term, master the red bar break up purple line, the big money flow back again, and then we have chance to go. And another one, we look at the BA. So this one is more beautiful than SIA. Nearly also the same pattern, rise and then pull back and then rise again. So here also 2 weeks sideways around the first white line resistance, pull back got support and rise again. So this one we have more chance to go, have more chances for the mid long term investment, especially if the figures, the vaccine is successful and is allowed to use. So it means we have got more good news for the stock market. And also the December, the government stimulus still not put out yet. So any progress on the stimulus could give the market a boost. And also the vaccine good news also is good news for the stock market. So for any shares, if the price can stand above all the rainbow lines, can stand above the white line, dark horse boy, and also the big fish here, the money continue flow in, it will help power to continue hit new high, to continue rising. Okay, so this is the airline shares. Other airline shares all the same. We look at Tesla for the new energy, very volatile, big drop, big rise, and then not nearly break up the previous high already. The previous high is around $607.80, and now we see nearly around the previous high resistance, gap down and also gap up. Here we got 2 gaps, so this gap will be the support for later price moving. From DE deviation expert, we see 3 days already the red bar turn to green, so means the net money a bit flowing out, but the green bar is not big, only very small, so means the money flowing out not very strong, not too much money, only a bit flowing out. And also the red bar still here. See, if the DE turn to red and the net money flow back again, so it may continue hit new high and continue rising. Presently, all the price stand above all the rainbow lines. Short term, mid term, long term all got support, and also the gap, the double gap support level around 580. So this level is our support level, and the 607 it will be our resistance. So currently it will sideways inside these 2 levels until choose direction and move further. For the other 3, let's say NIO continue pull back, but the price just around the green lifeline. From DE, we see turn to green is November 30. November 30 till now, 1 week ready. The green bar very big, so means the money continue flowing out, and that's the reason why the price no power to break up and to rise. So it will continue sideways here. But the green lifeline is very important. If the price is still above the green lifeline, still not too bad. But if the close price below the green lifeline or even break down the yellow line, no good anymore. So it means the correction may be longer and bigger in NIO. And the 小鹏also the same. The red bar turn to green is November 30. Till now, 1 week already, the price continue, the net money continue flowing out. So the price continue drop, also sideways here. Support level is around 45 and the resistance 73. Also the green lifeline better not break down. If the green lifeline around 45 break down, so it means it no life and will have bigger correction. But if above the green line, so means it still got life. 6 to 10 days, the short-term correction finish, it may come back again. Okay, but only break up 73, and then we have made long-term big rise, have more space to go. And the V auto, these three are totally the same pattern, but this one a bit earlier. This day is November 27. November 27, the red bar turn to green means the net money flowing out. So more than 1 week or pull back and have some correction. But for Li Auto, the close price break down the green lifeline already. Break down already. If the close price break down 3% or 3 days, so means effectively break down and the share no life already, may have further and longer correction. So if the money continue flowing out, it may continue pull back more. For this kind of share, how to do? We can use our golden section from the bottom previous low and to previous high. We do the golden section. See, currently it's around 50% support, and the next support level is around 27.8. Also the yellow line 27, around 27. So if the yellow line also break down, next level will be around 21. So one step by step, one support by support, we just see which support is effective. And if the money pull back again, the red bar rising, the big money flowing back, so it will help power to rise and break up the resistance. The first resistance is the first rainbow red lines, the banker cost line is around 35, and the next resistance is around 47. So only these two levels break up, and then above no resistance, we have more space to go. Okay, so this is the different kind of shares recently. And don't forget, this analysis here is only my personal view with Homilychart analysis. So all the cases here is not for recommendations. And every one of us, we should be responsible for our own investment. This Saturday is Homily 11 years anniversary in Singapore. So we specially invite the Master Chen Chao give us a Zoom webinar, but it's free register. If having any friends want to attend, you just WhatsApp your name and 12 to 96469682. So Teacher Cherry will arrange for you. Okay. So if you want to try the Homilychart to follow the big fish, to monitor your own shares, or you want to attend the webinars or arrange the one-to-one coaching, all can contact Teacher Cherry 96469682. And don't forget to click like and click the subscribe. So every day your shares, you WhatsApp me, and we can make analysis together to learn. Okay, thank you. See you next time.